Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials so we don't chase ghosts. First, confirm your email, password, and incoming/outgoing server entries exactly match your provider's settings. Once done, temporarily disable VPN or firewall that can block authentication. Next, open Windows Credential Manager and remove any old Outlook or Office credentials so Outlook prompts fresh. These steps clear common mismatches and stale tokens. Doing them first prevents repeated password loops and sets a clean baseline for the deeper fixes that follow. Now you rebuild the connection layer that usually causes repeat prompts. Create a new Outlook profile from Control Panel Mail because corrupted profiles re-request credentials endlessly. Then remove and re-add your account using modern authentication, OAuth, when available. This forces a fresh token exchange. Make sure to clear cached tokens and identity files in your local app data folder so Outlook can request new tokens. Once the profile and tokens are rebuilt, Outlook should authenticate normally rather than repeatedly asking for your password. Finish by updating Office and verifying external factors. Update Office to the latest build, restart the PC, and then sign into Outlook. Updates often fix authentication bugs. Make sure your account's multi-factor settings or app password requirements aren't forcing repeated prompts. Contact your admin if corporate policies changed. If problems persist, confirm webmail works and test the same credentials in another client or device. One key troubleshooting tip. If all else fails, have an admin recreate the mail-enabled account object in Active Directory or Exchange to remove hidden corruption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.